Everybody's okay. He's being nice. Your babies can play, and he's no problem. Oh, Oscar, you're not a problem. He could care less about these kittens. Yep, they just play. Everybody's minding their own business. Huh, I'm sorry. You have no. Hey, oh! Okay, well, that lasted 5 minutes. That was a very good 5 minutes. Come on, let him play. Let him hang out. Come on, Mommy. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. It's okay. Poor Oscar. He has no place to go. This is his home, too. Oh, and look at this one. Oh, there. Oh, okay. Oh, oh. No, come here. I know you want to protect your babies, but look, he's not doing anything. He's not doing anything. He's not doing anything. It's okay. It's okay. See, he's just over there.